Thank you.
I just feel mercenary. Mercenary. Mercenary? Sorry, lady woman. You're really, really good.
Yeah.
Know what a harlequin is?
Janky ass clown with bad eye makeup?
Oof. Ouch. A harlequin's role is to serve an audience, a master. You know, a harlequin's nothing without a master. And no one gives two fucks who we are beyond that.
Yeah, I don't know who you think I am, lady, but I'm not her.
Puddin' and I broke up. I haven't told that to anyone. Yeah. For good this time. And for the first time in a long time, I'm all on my lonesome. It's great.
Welcome to the club.
Thanks.
Hey, don't be lonesome. How about another drink?
Yes!
Yeah?
Yeah!
It's on me. Hey,
Sure.
2 shots.
Drinks.
Hey. We're all good here. No. Let me know if you're gonna get sick. Chariot's arrived. Oh, there you go. Hey, buddy, I need some help. Here's my friend. Told you all about. Get the door, man. I got it. There we go.
Wait.
Isn't that Joker's girl? Not anymore.
Got room for one more?
I don't need your help. I got this.
You got this? You sure about that? Yeah, no wonder everyone hates you.
Well. Could that be our little Miss Lance? All these years I thought she was just a pretty face and a fine set of lungs. Oh, Mr. Sass, I've had an amazing idea. That's my little bird.
Don't touch what you can't afford, mister.
Oh, sorry.